Guys, so let's talk about the Tiny 11. Okay, if you do not know about Tiny 11, and I'm going to here to give you some information and what are the features and how is the security of this Tiny 11 and how this is developed. Okay, let's go to the descriptions. Tiny Windows 11 is a lightweight, stripped down version of Windows 11 modified by third-party developers. Okay, this is not Microsoft. This is modified by the third-party developers. Okay, to consume less system resources and run low-end PCs or older hardware. It's popular among users looking to improve performance on system with limited RAM, storage, and CPU power. Okay, this is not developed by the Microsoft, and this is modified by the third-party developers. Okay, what is Tiny Windows 11? Unofficial. This is unofficial. It is not created by or endorsed by Microsoft. Debloating. It removes unnecessary apps, services, animation, and system features like Retina, Windows Defender, OneDrive, Xbox services. Optimized, aimed at faster performance, lower memory usage, and quick boot time. Portable or iOS based, available iOS file or fresh install or pre-install images. Common features is size is 1.5 to 3 GB. Okay, this original size of Windows 11 is 5 GB. RAM, it uses RAM is 1 GB idle. This 4 to 10 GB. Updates often disabled or limited. UI same Windows 11. A few animation. Use cases, low-end PCs, virtual machines, testing gaming on the setup. Okay. The system requirements are processor should be 1 GHz, 2 core. Even older CPUs also work. RAM must be 2 GB. Can run on 1 GB in some builds also. Storage should be the 10 to 15 GB free disk space. And graphics basic DirectX 9 compatible GPU and TPM is not required by fast in the Tiny builds. Tiny 11 removes the TPM 2.0 and secure boost check all of the installation on support. Okay, and here are the some important notes that not official or safe for the critical use. Since it's modified by unknown developers, there is always risk of malware or spyware, incompatibility, and no official supports or updates, so that this is not recommended to use. Okay, because this is not safety. Okay, this is developed by the unknown developers, so that cannot find out their updates, support, and security features in this Tiny Windows 11. So I recommend you to use the full version of Windows 11. Okay guys, these are the some information about the Tiny Windows 11. Okay, okay guys, if you like my videos, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. To the next video.